So I've received the next Uniquely Creative Create and Colour kit. It comes out bi-monthly, so every 2 months. I've had this for probably a couple of weeks now. I just haven't gotten around to actually opening it and videoing it for you. So let's get stuck into it. Let's see what this kit holds. It's got a lot of things in there. So we've got the creative cuts. So they're already cut out, die cuts ready to go. Oh, there's lots. Just move that out of the way. These would be perfect for guy cards and Father's Day. So they're really cool. They're nice and thick as well. Tradies. All sorts of things. That's awesome. They've even got some sentiments in there as well. There's lots in there. A ladder. Well, it's going to be fun going through all of those. So for now, I will pop them into a container. They just keep going. Okay, there we go. So next we have, oh, that was that packet. They always give us some foam strips or dots. So these are in nice strips. So you've got the really, really fine ones there and the thicker ones there. These are brilliant for sentiment strips. Absolutely brilliant. And we've got a packet of 10 cards and envelopes. These are Australian sized and they're 300 GSM or 110 pound weight. We've got some baker's twine. We have the booklet which goes through and gives you some ideas so you can create your own cards or scrapbook pages, planners. It starts off with the easy ones, so it's just basically just layering everything on top, and it shows you what you need to use down the bottom. So we've got a few nice easy ones, and then we go on to the medium difficulty ones, and then we start here onto the more difficult ones, the hard ones, what they call hard, but they're not hard at all. It's just you've got to pull things from different parts of your kit to use them, and it involves more layering. And then we have some colouring inspiration as well. So they've listed the alcohol markers that they've used, so you can recreate it in the same colours if you wish, or it gives you a starting point. So that's that one. That's pretty good. And then we have our 2 colouring sheets. This one is on watercolour card, and this one is on Copic friendly card. And then you can either fussy cut them out, or if you've got a brother scan and cut, you can use that. And you can also buy the digital file for these as well, so you can print them up into whatever size you want and cut them out straight away using, you can use Cricut, brother scan and cut, all those sort of electronic die cutting machines, or fussy cut them. So you can make, say if you want that to be a feature, you can actually make them quite big if you wish. And I think that was from memory, they didn't bill me separately for that. I did buy it. I think it was only like $2 or something. And then they give you a download. So this is the paper collection pack. So we've got 32 single-sided pattern papers in here. So you've got overall sheets. You've got these, which are brilliant because it looks like you've already done a lot of matting, but you haven't. It's on a flat piece of cardstock. The cardstock is really, really nice quality too. I'm just trying to see if she has what GSM it is. She doesn't, but it feels almost like it'd be 176 GSM, or yeah, I think around there. So you got your double ones as well. So these perfectly fit an Australian size card. So all you got to do is just basically whack it on, and you've got a background. Really, really cool. This one, if you want to, you can cut out the circles and make it a peekaboo kind of thing, a shaker, all that sort of stuff. But I love how they're nice masculine ones. I really like this one. I like the idea of having a banner on a card. I do like that. And then you've got your cut apart sheet in there as well, which is the same things as what they've already cut out for you. So you've got more of those. You've got large sentiments, which is brilliant. You can have that as a focal point on the card, or even inside the card. Some really, really cool papers in here. More cut aparts. Just trying to, oh, more cut aparts, all the critters. That's nice. Here we go, this is what I was looking for. You also get a sentiment sheet. So, and it actually covers the lady tradies as well, which is awesome. And it's also, they've got one, relax and enjoy your wonderful new home. Workmate, you are awesome, mate. It actually covers a lot of things, and I love how it's Aussie slang, like thanks bud, you're a legend, cheers mate. Yeah, I love that. That is cool. And I think these then, let's have a look at the start. Yeah, it repeats. So you've got 2 of each pattern. So that is awesome. So that is the kit for, I think it was, the first one was February, so this is April. So I'm a little bit late putting it out, my apologies. I will make some cards and show you. Alrighty, so see you later.